Hey folks, welcome to another amazing video from international underscore update. Guys, as we all know, the whole country is celebrating 75 years of independence, and on this occasion, guys, there is another proud moment is going to be happen on 7th of August, that is tomorrow when I am making this video, and this will be the launch of the newly indigenously developed small satellite launch vehicle, guys. And this in this video we will discuss the details about this launch vehicle and why it is so significant for the country. So let's start the video, guys. So guys, this small satellite launch vehicle is developed by ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, and as its name suggests, guys, this is the small satellite launch vehicle. This is the vehicle that will launch the small satellites to the lower earth orbit, that is around 300 to 450 kilometers from the earth's surface, and these small satellites are weighted are up to 500 kgs. So it will launch these small satellites to the low earth orbit in a cost effective manner, guys. For example, guys, it will cost around 1/6 of the cost of PSLV, that is the another launch vehicle of India. So guys, this will cost less as we compare to the PSLV, and apart from that, it will also beneficial for the commercial wing of the ISRO that will launch some commercial satellites to the lower earth orbit in a cost effective manner. So it will be profitable for the country, and it will also reduce the burden on PSLV because earlier we have to use the PSLV to launch the satellites to the low earth orbit, and it will cost much more than this SSLV will going to be cost. So guys, this launch vehicle is the 3 stages solid motor rocket, and it contains 3 stages. As I mentioned that it contains 3 stages, and these stages contains solid motor. So why we are calling the solid motor? We are saying solid motor because it contains the solid fuel that will provide the thrust to this rocket, and this solid fuel is a mixture, guys. This solid fuel is a mixture of several elements that forms together, that compounds together and forms a propellant grain. And this propellant grain is mainly made up of, guys, ammonium perchlorinate and aluminium powder, and it will mix with oxide that will provide the thrust to this rocket. So guys, basically the thrust of the propellant grain is controlled by the geometry of the design in which these grains are stored in the rocket. For example, if this propellant grain is stored in a cylindrical tube, then this will provide the thrust to the rocket, and it will going to increase as the propellant grain starts burning. And if it is a cross shape, that way it will provide a very big thrust initially. So guys, this is the all about the solid motor. So apart from that, guys, this rocket is also going to be very special for the country because it is going to take the micro satellite that is developed by the 750 girl student from the rural India, and this satellite is known as Azadi Sat. So that is why, guys, the country is celebrating the launch of this newly developed vehicle. Apart from that, guys, as I mentioned that this SSLV is going to be a very cost effective for the country, and it will also help the country to increase its share in the global space economy. So currently, guys, we are contributing around 2% of the global space economy. So this newly developed launch vehicle will definitely going to help the country to increase its share in the global space economy. This is all about in this video. So I hope you find this video informative. If it is, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We will meet on our next video, guys. Till then, goodbye.